Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make your account private on RedNote using your iPhone. So if you want to make your account private on RedNote, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you want to first go to your App Store. You want to search for RedNote and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, there are two ways you can go to your settings. You can go to Me and then tapping on the settings icon here, or you can tap on the three lines here, the top left, then tapping on settings. Now once you're here in settings, you want to go ahead and tap on privacy settings. Now from here, you want to find protection mode and you want to go ahead and enable this. Now once you do this, this will make your account private on RedNote. So there you go guys, that is how to make your account private on RedNote using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.